This video tutorial quickly walks you through on how to reduce background noise on CapCut desktop app.
Let's work on this project, this particular video. So what you need to do next is to click on the video clip. Okay, click on the video clip. All right. So once it is selected, the next step is that you see all these options here. Click on audio, then scroll down, but ensure you are on the basic. All right. Once you click on audio, you will be placed on the basic by default. So scroll down, you will see this reduce noise. All right. Click on this box. Okay, here you can see is a pro feature, but when I did this in the morning, it was not a pro feature. All right. So if you're giving, if it's given to you free, please use it. So once you check this box, it will reduce the background noise or any noise on that video. So you can go ahead and export. All right. But if you are seeing your own that it has this icon that is a pro feature, just click on Pro. All right. So it's at the top here and upgrade to that version. And with this, you start enjoying this particular feature.
If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. You can scan this QR code here to get any of my books on information technology. Everything is well simplified with illustrations. Thank you and see you some other time.